Hey guys, welcome back to another review. Today we're going to be reviewing this multifunctional oiler. This is perfect for kitchen use since sometimes if you don't spread out the oil from the bottle when you're cooking, everything sticks, and this is just going to provide an even spray to your pan, and it's going to be very easy to cook without anything sticking, and you don't have to use a lot of oil when you get an even spray. And it also has this option when you open this lid, which you can just pour out the oil as normal. So you have the two-in-one option, the sprayer and the pourer as usual. This is perfect, as I said, for avoiding excess use of oil. And it is very easy to install. You just need to put on this little tube and you just need to pour your oil of preference. I did avocado oil, which is what I would do in our kitchen, but it works great with any kind of oil: avocado, peanut, coconut, any kind of sauces, grapeseed oil, or any kind of vinegars. It works great with all of that. And one press equals 0.15 grams or 0.05 ounces, which is perfect. You can also use this for dressing salads or to put things in the air fryer. It's just perfect. And this won't get clogged like other sprayers. I feel like I've used others before that get clogged with time, and this is especially made for oil, so it has that filter in the bottom. So this is just me demonstrating in a pan, but I also did in the napkin so you could see the spray. So this is just like a normal pour, and this is the spray. It's very even, and I usually just do 2 sprays to cook. I would highly recommend this product.